Hey, this thing is pushing me.
You don't give code names. I know this is just for so that they can because if I write a code name, I wouldn't know.
No, it's okay. I asked too many questions.
Can I use that?
This one. Why this one? Why this one? There's a rule. Oh. That's the thing. Right.
Yeah, I have to collect up to the second layer.
Yes, I just say I have too much blood.
Then